So we've got the latest generation Porsche Cayenne in with us. This is a hybrid version. We've just done a number of sort of accessory upgrades for the customer on this. They've come all the way from the Isle of Wight to see us, which is really nice. So we've fitted latest generation Blackvue dash camera in there. It is a non-LTE version. And then we've also protected this vehicle with the latest Autowatch Ghost 2. Which enables if you get your keys either stolen or cloned, then this vehicle's going nowhere. So I'll just quickly show you what we've achieved in regards to the installation of the rear camera. So we've got the camera nicely positioned in there. All the wires are hidden, gone through same factory routing that we do on all installs here at TTW Installations. So it gives a nice clean install. We do no drilling on any of our installs, unlike other installers, especially mobile installers, to cut corners. We don't do that. So that's just a nice sort of view there, just to show you what the rear camera will look like if you have one of these vehicles. And then we've also got in here a Blackvue camera there. Now it's situated enough so the sensor is still visible underneath, so it's not blocking any of that. And then the cables are tucked up nicely into the binnacle area, and as you can see, it just sort of fits nicely in there. From the driver's perspective, you don't really see the camera. This is all fully activated with parking mode and voltage protection. And as I said, we've just fitted the latest Ghost immobiliser as well onto this vehicle to protect it from theft these days, unfortunately. So if you've got any Porsche model, we'd be very happy to undertake the installation of our latest dash camera video surveillance. Obviously for parking it's great because it's obviously monitoring the vehicle as well, and then obviously protecting the vehicle with the latest Ghost 2 immobiliser. So yes, if you'd like further information, please get in touch here at TTW Installations.